Gentlemen, what if I told you there was a simple 30-second trick you could do right now with no pills, no supplements, and no special equipment that could instantly send blood flow right where you need it? I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and I'm a urologist. I know that for many men, especially men over 50, the topic of getting and maintaining a firm erection is a source of anxiety. It's a common problem, and the solutions often seem complicated. Medications, lifestyle overhauls, expensive gadgets. But the truth is, your body has an incredible capacity to respond to simple physical cues. Today, I'm going to share a simple trick I call the 30-second reset. It's an easy two-part exercise that, when done correctly, can prime your body for better blood flow and help you feel more confident in your sexual health. We'll also talk about a few other powerful quick tricks you can add to your routine. Stick with me because this isn't just about a one-time fix. This is about building habits that support your vascular health for the long run. Before we get to the specific tricks, let's talk about the science behind them. I want to be clear that this isn't magic or some mystical cure. It's grounded in basic anatomy and physiology, and understanding it will help you get the most out of these exercises. An erection is a hydraulic event. It's a simple process that requires your body's vascular system to perform in a very specific way. To achieve an erection, two things must happen. First, the arteries that supply blood to the penis must relax and expand, allowing a surge of blood to flow in and fill the spongy tissue. Second, the veins that drain blood from the penis must constrict, trapping that blood inside. This process is entirely dependent on your overall vascular health, the health of your heart, arteries, and veins, as well as the proper function of your nervous system, which sends the signals that initiate this entire process. When you're stressed, anxious, or have been sitting for a long period of time, your body can go into a state of fight or flight. This isn't just a feeling. It's a physical state where your body releases stress hormones that cause blood vessels to constrict, prioritizing blood flow to your vital organs and large muscles. At the same time, prolonged sitting can put physical pressure on the blood vessels and nerves in your pelvis. All of this combines to actively restrict blood flow to your penis. Your body is in a state of tension and lockdown. The goal of the 30-second reset, and the other tricks I'll share, is to deliberately override that tension and send a clear, conscious signal to your body to relax and increase circulation to the pelvic region. It's about taking control and consciously getting blood moving to the area where you need it most. These simple physical actions can help break the cycle of stress and constriction, allowing your body to perform its natural hydraulic function. Trick number 1, the 30-second reset. This is the main trick, and it has two distinct parts that work together to create a powerful effect. You can do this in the privacy of your own bathroom, bedroom, or anywhere you have a moment to yourself. The first part is a simple squat. I know it sounds incredibly basic, but trust me on this. So many men over 50 have weak hips and glutes from years of a sedentary lifestyle, from sitting at a desk all day, or spending too much time in a car or on the couch. This prolonged sitting creates a great deal of tension and constriction on the muscles and blood vessels in the pelvic region. By performing a squat, you directly engage those large muscle groups. To perform it correctly, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and then squat down slowly as if you are going to sit in a chair. Make sure to keep your back straight, your chest up, and your head looking forward. Go down only as far as you comfortably can, even if it's just a few inches. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. This isometric action on the largest muscles in your body, your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, sends a powerful signal to the rest of your body, activating your metabolism and, most importantly, increasing blood flow to your legs and hips, which are the main thoroughfares to your pelvic region. The second part is a pelvic floor contraction, or what is commonly known as a keel. This is where the real magic happens. While you are in that lowered squat position or right after you stand back up, You need to consciously and deliberately contract the muscles you would use to stop the flow of urine midstream. Think about it like you're trying to lift your entire pelvic area up and in. You should not be clenching your glutes or your abdomen. The contraction should be focused on the pelvic floor muscles themselves. Hold this firm contraction for 3 to 5 seconds and then release it completely. Do this a few times, focusing on the contraction and then the complete relaxation. The full release is just as important as the contraction. When you put these two together, you're doing something incredibly powerful for your body. The squat gets the large muscle groups working and blood flowing, priming the entire system. Then the focused keel creates a sudden, strong, and targeted influx of blood to the penis. It's a simple two-step process that can be an incredibly effective way to prime your body for sexual activity. I recommend doing this sequence a few times in a row. You should immediately feel a difference, a sensation of warmth and increased blood flow to the area. This next trick is an old one that has been used for centuries, but it has a very modern scientific basis that we now understand. It's a simple, non-invasive method to trigger a powerful immediate response from your body's circulation system. The trick is to use a burst of cold water. You can do this right before you step into the shower or while you're in the shower itself. Apply a quick burst of cold water to your lower body, specifically your legs, groin, and pelvic area. I know it sounds intense, and it will be, but you don't need to freeze yourself. Just a quick, sharp shock of cold water is all that is required. What this does is trigger a powerful and immediate reflex in your body. When exposed to cold, your body's initial instinctive response is to protect its core temperature by constricting the blood vessels in your extremities. This is called vasoconstriction, and it's a way of conserving heat, but as soon as the cold is removed, there is a massive and powerful rebound effect. Your blood vessels then dilate or widen in a rush to bring warm blood back to the area. This sudden dilation and rush of blood is exactly what your penis needs for a firm and healthy erection. It's a trick that can be used on your entire body to increase circulation, but for our purposes, a quick splash of cold water focused on the lower body is enough to get the job done. It's a simple biological hack that can be used to wake up your vascular system and promote blood flow. The final trick is a simple massage that can be done at any time, especially if you're feeling anxious, stressed, or if you've been sitting for a prolonged period. This is about consciously releasing the deep physical tension that is actively restricting your blood flow. To perform it, sit down comfortably and take a deep breath to center yourself. With your thumbs, apply firm, consistent pressure to the inner part of your upper thighs near the groin area. You should feel a slight tenderness or a dull ache. This is a good sign. It means you found the right spot. Now begin to massage this area in small, slow, circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds on each leg. The reason this works is rooted in your anatomy. This specific area of your inner thigh and groin is a major thoroughfare for a complex network of blood vessels and nerves that lead directly to your pelvis and penis. When we are stressed, anxious, or just physically tense, the muscles in this region can tighten up and physically constrict blood flow. By manually massaging this area, you are helping to relax the vessels and improve circulation. It's a conscious way of telling your body to relax and redirect blood flow to where it is most needed. This simple massage not only helps improve circulation, but also has a calming effect on your nervous system, helping to break that cycle of anxiety and physical tension that can make it difficult to get and maintain a firm erection. Gentlemen, these tricks are not magic. They are simple, non-invasive ways to help your body do what it is supposed to do. They can be a great tool to build confidence and help you feel more in control of your sexual health. But here is my final, most important piece of advice. These tricks do not replace a visit to the doctor. If you are having persistent problems with your erections, it is a sign of an underlying medical issue. Whether that's high blood pressure, diabetes, or a hormonal problem, The best trick of all is a conversation with a medical professional. The sooner you get to the root of the problem, the sooner you can get back to a confident and fulfilling sex life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more straight talk medical advice for men. And let me know in the comments below which of these tricks are you going to try first. I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes. Stay well and I'll see you in the next